Hello. What's up, MVP riders? Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you. Let's set this thing up. At first I wasn't gonna do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to set this thing up as best that I can. Real quick, get ready to head to Bath and Body Works. I'm just gonna grab some stuff. Well, I don't even know if I'm gonna grab anything, but I am get ready to go ahead to Bath and Body Works real quick. Today ain't nothing going on. I think they still got the 1095 candles, so I'm just gonna go and see. I'm gonna go and see if they have the fall candles. No, I am not ready for fall at all. I absolutely love the summer. Yes, it is hot. Yes, I do complain about it being hot, but I still enjoyed the summer months. I absolutely dislike being cold. To me, being cold is like torture. So I love the summer months, so I am not rushing it. But I will go into the store and I will look at the candles. They're not on sale. I think it's a lot of repackages. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and see if the store got the new fall candles. I'm gonna go and check the 75% stuff and see just what's going on, because I haven't been to Bath and Body Works in almost a week maybe. So it's time to head on up in there just to see what they have. I'm really looking for wallflowers. Those are the only things that haven't went like 75% yet. So those are the things that I am looking for, and hopefully I can find some. I do know that a couple did go 75%. One of the newer blends went 75%, which was that pineapple mango and fresh balsam. That one did go 75%. If I could find it in a store, I will grab it, because I most definitely want to get my hands on a lot of those new ones. So yeah, so let's head up here. I don't want to drag this video out. I really want this video to be somewhat short so I can upload it a lot faster, don't have to do all that editing. So let's head up here. Leave in the comments too, are you still shopping the semi-annual sale, or did you just say, you know what, enough is enough, I'm done? Leave that down in the comments, y'all. I'm kind of done, and I know I always say that. Sneeko always call me out on that, but I mean, that's what we do. We all love Bath and Body Works, and we all say that we're gonna be done, and we never be done, because they keep marking the stuff down. And I believe that that is a sale tactic that they do. They stagger the sales to keep people coming back into the store, like us, you know. So if they could put a lot of the body care at 75%, and then a couple of, you know, like the following week, then we're gonna put candles 75%. The last week of the sale, we're gonna do the wallflowers. Yes, that keep us coming in. So it's a sale tactic, and yes, it is working, because your girl keep coming back. So let's head on back up here. Let's head on back up here, y'all, and see what they have. I know, but it is what it is. So let's go. Okay, y'all, another walkthrough, and look what I spot as soon as I walk through the door. And y'all know I said I wasn't gonna buy none. I was just going to look. And then I see this 75% off the wallflowers, something that I've been looking for. So my plan was out the door. So, you know, I grabbed some stuff. I had to. this store still has some of the men's care collection, this body wash. I think it was like $3 or $3 something. I passed on it, even though I should have grabbed a few, but I decided to pass. And they still got these candle holders. They still got them. Okay, y'all, I'm finna hit up store number 2. Store number 1 has some stuff, y'all. Now, well, some items that I was looking for. Even though I said I wasn't gonna buy none, I did end up spending a little bit of money. But I'm getting ready to go into store number 2 just to see what they have. That last store did not have any fall candles out, as y'all did see. I don't think nobody in my area is gonna have those candles out. I know I'm holding the camera super close to my face, but I don't think nobody's gonna have those candles. It is what it is. You know, when we get them, we get them. I feel like super dark. I feel like it's gonna be a pass anyway. I'm not gonna buy any of those fall candles. I'm just not ready for fall yet. But most definitely want to record them and see them and all of that stuff. So let's head in here and just see what we can find, if we find anything. Yay, 75% wallflowers. Yay, and they have tons. She told me that they had just put these wallflowers out. I guess they got them late. I don't know. But they had everything I was looking for. Except that one. They didn't have many of their rain petal kiss or whatever it's called. They didn't have a lot. And then look at this, y'all. Super shocked that this store had the fall candles. I was so shocked, and I really wanted to buy some, but you know, your girl don't do regular price. We need a sale. We need a sale because I need that natural collection or neutral collection or whatever it's called. I need all of that. I need all of it. Y'all know those are my type of candles. Oh my goodness, I was so excited to see these. And they brought out some of the favorites, the ones that they always bring out, like that autumn woods. To me, that smell like Sauvage. I'm just saying. I said that in my review years ago, or maybe 2 years ago, I think. But if you want a scent that smells like a man, that autumn woods is so good. I'm just saying. I can't wait to get this one, this salted caramel old fashioned. And I didn't even look at the notes. I was meaning to look at the notes, but I was so excited that all of the new fall candles was out. I didn't even look at none of the notes. I knew that I wasn't going to buy any because they wasn't on sale. So I just really wanted to record them and post them and let y'all see that my store do have them. You know, so yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and look at the notes and really smell them and see which ones I want and which ones I'm gonna pass on, which I already know. I'm not passing on nothing. I know I'm not gonna pass on anything because I love these types of candles. That leather and what was that, bourbon or whatever? Oh, I need that one. I need that one. Bath and Body Works. Even though y'all know your girl is not ready for fall, but these candles got me a little bit excited. I'm not ready for the weather, but I love the fact that they're bringing out new candles. We all get excited for these new candles. And yes, I'm happy. And I cannot wait for another sale. And then the other collection, I don't know what this collection is called that's coming up now. I don't know the name of this collection, but I love the packaging. And I already own all of these candles, and I really don't want to rebuy these candles, but this packaging is calling my name. So chances are I'm gonna buy some. Even though I own all of these candles, but this packaging is calling my name. It really is. But yay for this store have the fall candles. Yay, yay, yay for them. Oh my goodness, y'all, that moment when somebody is returning a bag full of candles and you just got done ringing out and you get ready to leave, y'all, I'm so tempted to go back to the store to see what kind of candles she returning. But I'ma fight, and I'ma keep on out the door, because I don't need no more candles. But I keep on thinking, what if she's returning some candles, like some older candles? I know somebody on Instagram found some toasted marshmallow or toasted s'mores or something candle, super old candle. Y'all know I haven't had any luck with finding any old stuff except that that sugar pecan pie, and that's not even really like old. I'm trying to find those gems, those treasure finds, and I haven't had a whole lot of luck yet finding those candles. I'm so tempted to go back in there. But I'm gonna just head on and leave, and it is what it is. You know, the first candle that she pulled out was a pink lilac and vanilla, which was a newer candle. So I don't know, I'm just gonna keep on going and just not even worry about it. I did grab all of the stuff that I wanted, so I'm happy about that. And for sure I will have to do another video on that, on this haul, because I already know this video gonna be way too long, way too long. So let me get the lighting right. This way, I guess. I still look super dark, but they did have the fall candles, which I was super happy about. But of course, regular price. Nobody's buying candles at regular price. I'm just saying. I mean, but to each his own. Let me see. To each his own. If you are the person that buy those regular price candles, somebody's doing it, but it won't be me. So yeah, I got everything that I was looking for, everything that I wanted. I'm so happy they finally marked the wallflowers down to 75%. Even though online some of these wallflowers is not showing 75%, but that blended collection wallflowers is 75%. I'm so happy. I've been waiting. I haven't heard anybody talking about the blended the blended wallflowers being marked down, but I've been waiting on that. So finally able to get it. I feel like I might be done with semi-annual. I should be done. I did use a 10 off of 40 coupon, so I'm happy about that. Happy Bath and Body Works is giving us those little treats. Love that. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, are you still shopping? Are you excited that they finally marking the wallflowers down? Leave that in the comment. As always, like I always tell y'all, also leave, did you find any treasure finds? If you did, put that in the comments, because I'm just kind of curious, what is people finding out here? What is people returning? I kind of want to talk about the exchange policy, but I think I'm gonna get into that some other time. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, follow me on all of my social media platforms, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff really do help me, y'all. So thank you, MVP Riders, for always watching my videos. I truly appreciate y'all. I really do, and it comes from the heart. It ain't no cap. I appreciate y'all. So I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.